another life, I do.
You're the one that I want to be with. Never want to be separated. Oh, I'm captivated.
Caleb really loves Zahra. She makes him the happiest man alive.
Every day you're my most awaited. Oh, I'm captivated. Oh, they don't see you as I do. You are so beautiful.
Did you like my surprise, love? Happy 7th anniversary!
Oh, let go. Oh, love, you don't have to listen.
Zahra and Caleb danced as if it was their last dance together.
'Cause all that really matters is that I love you. I really do. Oh, I need you and I really hate it, but I never get tired of waiting. Oh, I'm captivated. Oh, they don't see you as I do. You are so beautiful. Come breathe within my soul. Let go. Oh, love.
Ang ganda na, no? Oh, love! Ang ganda nga! My love, mahal ko. May Zahra din sa totoo. Amen. Yes, I do. Kahit anong lifetime ko.
I really do. Oh.
Ang ganda ng view, right now? Oo nga, mahal. Ang ganda. I hope God will be for life. What do you mean? Like, anong ibig mo sabihin? Wala. Love?
Yes, love, I'm here. Oh, love, how's your appointment with your doctor?
Let's get married na. My doctor said I only have 9 months left to live with you.
Okay, my love, with your time left, let's cherish every moment.
I love you the most. I will marry you in our next lifetime, mahal ko.
Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwined.
Zahra, my love!
And if the universe
Lord, bakit? Bakit siya ginawa sa akin? Pangako, hindi ako magpapakasal sa ibang babae. Just give us second chance. Kahit in another life pa yan. I beg you, Lord.
Close your
Zahra!
try your tears.
Caleb, are you alright? Ilalim ng iniisip ha. Iniisip mo si Tasha, no? Anniversary niya, diba? Sira, huwag niyo nung nakuha. We are concerned din sa BF mo, Tash. Kanina pa siya ganun ng umaga eh. At saka, di talaga siya naimik ko. Worried na yun sa'yo si Tash. Hindi mo raw siya kinakausap.
Iwan niyo muna ako, please.
Love, what's wrong? They want to go to church?
Ayoko.
Tara na, Caleb. Sige, let's go. Tara na, Caleb.
The most stupid things like we were so
Are you alright, ma'am?
Yes, Jahar.
Daha?
we were on.
Sino yan, ma'am?
No one. Punta na ako sa harap. I'll pray.
And all the world was
Zahara!
dead. This unlikely union, why it still stands.
Ba't nag-isaw lang ito ng bago yun,
We
ma'am?
said
Happy anniversary.
pray and believe.
Ready to dance?
When the light disappears, and when this world is sincere, you'll be safe here. When nobody hears you scream.
Saan po si Ron talaga sabihin mo tayo? Platinum. They waited for this for a long time.
Then,
Let's just go.
ito.
Yeah.
I can't believe this. God really answered my wish.
Pero mahal. Uwi ka na. Pagod na ako.
Kailan kaya ulit kita magkita, Zahara?
When you miss me, always visit here at the church lang. Lagi ako nandito. Hindi ako aalis.
Uy, ang ganda naman ng mood mo ngayon, Caleb.
Yeah?
Kamusta pala yung film science?
Patapos na naman.
Uy, yun na pala si Teo.
Bro, stop na kayo ni Tasha, may tambayan ako. Seryoso mo naman, pero tabihan talaga ako sa
Sasabihin, minamahal kita. Panalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama.
Tash?
Oh, hey, Caleb, you're here. Let's have a sip first.
Let's end this.
It's nice that we both accept this.
Thank you for spending with me in 3 years, Tash. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I should leave now. Tay is waiting for me. Let's go.
You forgot your glasses.
Thank you.
Okay ka lang, Tash. Sayang naman ng 2 years.
How I wish na you. But I'm happy they've met.
What do you mean? Caleb is like a crazy person.
I smell something fishy here, ha? Haba?
Dito. Ilang oras ka na dito ah. Saka last week yung kita dito. Hinintay ko po kasi yung babae na palagi niya dito sa akin. Anong ibig mong sabihin ko? Last week nakikita dito nang isa nagsalita. Oo, Father. Wala ito. Hindi ka na ito. Magpahinga ka na rin kasi mapagpagod ka. Opo, Father. Magandang gabi po.
Oh, my life is falling apart. Maybe
I thought we visit you again, my love.
I won't. I promise you.
if I did,
Wanna go on a date? Kasi sana kita napakilala sa mga kaibigan ko.
Sure, love.
It's settled then.
Okay, love. But then, I can only miss them. We are sisters.
Ito pa naman sana kita kaya kumain sa labas.
Umuwi ka na, love. Gabi na. Mahal na mahal kita.
Minahal kita lagi.
by your side. I'll give you all my life.
Uy, Teo, tara sa church. Ay, sa Tasha, ito ka. Sinasya ako.
Oo nga, like yours. Uy, bagong babae yan, ha? Don't mind them. Let's go, Caleb.
Hindi ba sabihin ko bang nilalaman? Tayo na pa tayo dito.
Kaya nga, naiinip na ako, guys.
Ayun siya, oh. She's here, guys. Everyone, meet Zahara nila.
Caleb, you should go first with Zara. I can't stop it.
Nagulat siguro kayo, no? Pero sure.
Guys, please, sakyan nyo na lang siya. He's seeing someone and it's real because I can see it also. It is greatest love and they've waited for this for a long time.
Ang weird ha. Pero sige, be real.
Okay lang na.
Style, thank you for always looking up for me. Wait lang guys, nandun si Dad and I need to go na for my math class. Bye-bye guys. Ayun, ipag-bye na ang thing. Sige,
Bye, Ra. Take care.
I will.
I can't be your love. Look is too trivial for you now. Oh, my life is falling apart. Maybe no one will notice if I disappear. But I
Dadating pala ng friends ko mamaya.
We're back.
Ay, na pala sila.
Hi, I'm Anastasia. This is my friend,
Saan pala si Nerd?
Nandun na siya ng gagawin. May nalipos.
So pretty.
Yes, Caleb. By the way, we have exam tomorrow. Really good. Bye.
my seasons.
This went on for 9 months until Caleb finally graduated college and decided to marry Zahara.
Will you marry me sa harang ko? Like what I promised back then.
Yes, I will. I will.
Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako palagi. Palagi. Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon at
Miss Salvador, would you accept Mr. Caleb Cruz to be your husband?
I do, Father.
Mr. Cruz, would you also accept Miss Zahara Clay Salvador to be your wife?
Yes, I do, Father.
I pronounce you husband and wife. You now kiss the bride.
pala sa huli, babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. din man nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, natatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal. Sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo.
Caleb became a painter after Zahara left and made his gallery named after Zahara. He named it The Pieces of Zahara.
May Zahara.
Ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang tanging kahinaan at lumilipas ang sandali at hindi na mapakali, pero sa'yo labis akong nasasabik na makap.
After what happened to Zahara, Theo and Anastasia got married and had a daughter named after Zahara. Hera and Bea became a couple, and they supported Caleb through his journey after Zahara left.
At lumilipas ang sandali